Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth Stilson. I hope you're all well. So on today's menu, we have Boflot or Bofrot. The Nigerians calls it Puffpuff. So I'm gonna walk you through the ingredients I'll be using for today's menu, for today's recipe. So as you can see right here in front of me is a flour. I'm using an all-purpose flour, about a cup of all-purpose flour. Here we have our nutmeg, and then we have our salt. Here we have our yeast, and there we have our sugar. In here is our warm water. It's not too warm but not cold either. It shouldn't be too hot, otherwise it will kill your yeast. But it should be warm enough that you can dip your finger in and it will not burn you. So take note. So to start with, we're going to mix the salt with the flour first. And then mix it. Mix it well. Before we add our yeast, and our nutmeg, we're going to add our sugar, mix it. The amount of sugar you use depends on how sweet you want your Bofrot. I don't like much sugar, so I add just a little more to make it a little sweet, that's all. Next, we'll add our warm water, little by little, as we mix it. I like to use my fingers because it helps mix it much better. So you keep adding your water until you're comfortable with the texture. If you like your Bofrot very dense, then don't add too much water. I like mine soft. That's why I've made it to this texture, so you can see. So you keep mixing and mixing until it's very smooth. So now our Bofrot mixture is ready. We're going to cover it up and leave it to rise for about an hour before we fry it. So now our Bofrot mixture has risen well. It's been about an hour. Yeah, as you can see all the bubbles on top. So this is how it should look like after an hour. And it's ready for us to fry. As you can see. Yeah. So now our oil is ready. So we're going to fry our Bofrot. You will know that your oil is ready when you drop in the Bofrot and it rises to the top. There you go. After a few minutes, you you turn it upside down so that all sides can fry well and you have that golden brown. We're going to leave it for a few more minutes. As you can see, our boflot is ready. So you keep turning it until you get that golden brown. And then you will know your boflot is ready. So I advise you to put it on a tissue like I've done here for a few minutes. It will soak all the oil, the excess oil in the bofrot, and then leave it for a while, and then it's ready. As you can see, our boflot is ready. Charlie, this is gonna be yummy. Very, very nice. And the recipe is so simple. Please try this at home. Your kids will enjoy it as usual. My kids enjoy it anyway. So this is how it's gonna be like. As you can see, very soft. Very, very soft. And nice and very delicious. You see? Okay. So let me be the tasting officer. Very yummy. Very nice. So thank you all for watching this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so that the next time I upload a new recipe, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you all. I love you. Bye.